History shorts are blowing up everywhere, making people hundreds of dollars per day. I'll teach you how to make them step by step for free. I'll also show you few great tips to make them go viral. ChatGPT is our friend in generating the script. Let's enter our prompt here. Select the facts that you like and copy them. Make sure to take at least 3 points and copy them to a notepad. As you can see, there are around 1,087 characters. Let's keep our character count to around 600 or 700. Let's narrate this script and use your own voice or 11 Labs to generate the audio. Link will be in the description. You'll get 5 or 10,000 characters free for a free account. You can select the voice as Adam. This is the most used voice. You can also select others. Click on Generate. Here is how it sounds.
Crazy facts from history. In 1814, a giant vat containing over 135,000 gallons of beer ruptured in London.
Now, download the voice. Next, we need to generate the images for our script. For this, we can use Leonardo.ai. It is free and gives us 150 tokens per day, which are enough to generate our required images. I'll share you the document with these details. Now let's generate the images with the prompt. Make sure to select the aspect ratio as 9:16. You can generate up to 4 images for each prompt. You can select 2 or 4 based on the need. Now here's the juicy tip. Click on Improve Prompt here, which helps you get the best results. Since we have 3 facts in our script, we can use like 50 tokens for each part. You can also image to motion feature, but it costs 25 tokens. You can use as you intend to. You can upgrade for more tokens and also addition features like photoreal, alchemy, etc. If you have difficulty generating an image, you can get that online. You can move to the next chapter if you think you have got good enough info here. Now, we have everything ready, voiceover and images. Let's get to the editing part. I'm using CapCut. It is free. Import the audio and trim the empty parts to make the content engaging. You can cut by pressing Ctrl+B. Now let's import the images too. Try to add your images as per the audio to sync your script. A great tip here is to keep the image length to less than 2 seconds to keep the audience engaged. Now, it's time to add a looty and spark effect for a cinematic feel. These are the effects I add. I have made it simple. Just add animations and a spark effect. Add a background score as well. You can try picking genres like epic, thriller, etc. Adjust the volume as required. The next step is to add captions, which are highly useful for engagement. CapCut does this easily. Once the auto captions are generated, check for any mistakes. One more tip here would be to change the color of captions for better retention. The next tip here is to add sound effects, which improves audience retention. Adjust the volume as required here as well. That's it, let's export. Select 60 FPS for fluidity. Here's the final output.
Crazy facts from history. In 1814, a giant vat containing over 135,000 gallons of beer ruptured in London due to weak vat and pressure. The resulting beer flood swept through the streets, destroying homes and killing at least 8 people. Vikings used a special type of crystal known as a sunstone, made possibly of Icelandic spar, to navigate their ships. It is used to locate the sun even in overcast conditions. In Europe, during the Middle Ages, there were numerous instances of mass hysteria known as dancing mania or dance epidemics. People would suddenly start dancing uncontrollably for days or even weeks, with theories ranging from religious ecstasy to psychological or neurological disorders.
Also, you can use the prompts here for SEO. Use rapidtags.io for additional tags. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.